Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2005 EC paper. The question is the power in the signal S of t is 8 cos 2 pi t 20 pi t minus pi by 2 plus 4 sin 15 pi t is. So what they have given? They have given the signal S of t is 8 cos 20 pi t minus pi by 2 plus 4 sin 15 pi t. So we know the power of a cos omega t plus theta is equal to a squared by 2. So for this s of t, power of this one, it is here it is a, here representation a2 a1. So first one a1 squared by 2, so 8 squared by 2 plus this one a2 is 4 squared by 2. 64 by 2, 32 plus 16 by 2, 8. So this is 40. Power of S of t, right? So 40 watts. So power of S of t is 40. Thank you.